The new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and the regular Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 might look similar at first, but are they really the same? If you are confused about whether the Pro model is worth paying extra for, this comparison is for you. Samsung has added some serious upgrades to the Buds 4 Pro, especially in sound and noise cancelling, but the standard Buds 4 still offers strong features at a lower price. In this video, we will compare them side by side from design and sound quality to ANC, battery life and features. So by the end, you will know exactly which one fits your needs and budget.